Hello everyone. So there's this new care home in the UK that is massively recruiting overseas workers. I know that finding a job right now with visa sponsorship in a care home in the UK is like the hardest thing. So I dug deep, I did my research a great deal. And this care home is recruiting overseas workers. So if you're looking to migrate to the UK on the health and care visa, you want to migrate as a healthcare assistant, then you really need to watch this video. And if you're wondering how you can migrate to the UK as a healthcare assistant, anyone can do it. You don't need a health background. You can start, from scratch and still make it happen. I have a video up here where you can watch to find out everything about how to migrate to the UK as a healthcare assistant. So in that video, you're going to find a step-by-step process, all you need to do from start to finish to land UK as a healthcare assistant. So this video is about a job you can apply for in the UK to migrate on the health and care visa. If you are just meeting, my name is Jackie and you're welcome to my channel. Do subscribe and turn on the post notifications so you know every time I share a new video. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back. Check out my second channel, Jackie Finance, if you're interested in content about how to make money online and be financially independent. Okay, yeah, I know that finding a job in the UK as a healthcare assistant from overseas is like so hard right now. Many of them are refusing to hire from overseas. I'm so aware of that. I get your emails every day, people telling me, they really, really need jobs in the UK. Okay, so you can try applying to the one I'll show you in this video. I'm going to show you the website. So let's go to the website to see this care home, all right? I have 3 care homes, and agencies to show you in this video. And you really need to watch to the end because the 3 of them are currently hiring from overseas, right? They're hiring international applicants. So you want to check them out. So this first one here is for Excel Healthcare Services. For Excel Healthcare Services. And this is who they are. They are a leading providers of healthcare professionals throughout the UK. We are committed to deliver quality and professional care. For Excel Healthcare is posed to provide best care to the satisfaction of our clients and while complying with the standard and best practices of the relevant regulatory bodies. So let's go see what they have in terms of employment. So they wrote here, for Excel Healthcare does not use any agent or agency for the recruitment of international or local staff. For Excel Healthcare, we'll never ask you to pay money towards any sponsorship, right? Do not deal or work with anyone on our behalf or pose as an agent of our business. We do not charge for visa sponsorship. Please beware of scammers, right? So it's written here that they do employ from outside the UK and within the UK as well. So what you need to do to apply to them is to download this application. So download the application, fill it up, and then send it to them. All right. So the application has 7 pages. So you need to fill them up and then you send. It's basically you filling out your CV more or less. Okay. So that's just it, just the history of yourself and all the relevant details needed. So that is it for this care home. So go ahead and apply. The next one here is Future Care. So this is Future Care. So this is what they're about, offering the best quality residential nursing and dementia care where you or your loved one can feel at home. So if you want to work in residential nursing or dementia care, then you can look at this care home. All right. So let's just go ahead to see what they have for jobs. So you click on join our team. So this is the information they have. We believe that your future matters. This is why you will be supported through training and development to achieve your full potential. We want you to know that should you choose us, you will be joining a credible and well-established organization. Future Care Group was founded as a family business and is still run as such. Our vision, mission, and values reflect everything that we believe in. If you can relate to these statements, please apply below. So there are links to see their vision, the mission, and the values. So you click here to join the team. So this is the join the team page where they have the jobs. So you can read for details here. So they do hire within the UK and also outside the UK, and they do offer visa sponsorship to international applicants as well. So let's view all opportunities. So they have care assistant, registered nurse, registered nurse. So whether you're a nurse or a care assistant, you can apply to this care home. They have many openings for care assistants and openings for nurses as well. So you can apply here. They are hiring for different locations because they do have different locations, and there are so many openings here for care assistants and for nurses as well. So here they have sponsorship for overseas nurses. At Future Care Group, we can provide tier 2 sponsorship for nurses who qualified outside the EEA, nurses who have trained outside the European Economic Area and want to work in the UK as a nurse must gain professional registration with the Nursing and Midwifery Council. Applicants are tested for competence through a two-part process to gain registration. So this is the part one, which is a computer-based multiple choice examination, which is accessible around the world. This allows applicants to take the test in their home countries. And then for the part two is where the immigration rules allows an individual nurse to come to the UK to prepare for the OSCE, right? So you take the computer-based one in your home country, and then the immigration rules of the UK now allows for these nurses to come into the UK to take the part two of their exam, all right? The individual being sponsored must have a job offer from the employer and either have obtained full registration with the NMC, have passed the NMC computer-based test of competence, have obtained the NMC's permission to undertake the overseas nursing program, and be sponsored to undertake a supervised practice placement as part of the program, right? We also provide a preceptorship program for new qualified nurses to gain competency, right? So they are hiring from overseas. So go ahead and apply to this company, all right? So that is the second care home here that I'm showing to you. So let's move over to see the third one. So this is Silver Lake Care. Silver Lake Care. So they have care homes in different locations. As you can see here, this is 7 locations where they have care homes. So for a care home to be having 7 locations, it means they are going to be hiring multiple candidates, just like the previous one we saw that they were hiring multiple candidates. All right. So let's just go straight to see working for us. Let's see the current vacancy straight up. So they begin with international candidates, which is amazing, right? If you are seeking to be sponsored, please click the appropriate link below and complete the online form. Please note the form will need to be fully completed for your application to be successfully submitted. If you have not heard from us within 2 weeks, please consider your application to have been unsuccessful on this occasion. So these are 6 forms here that you can fill, and they have something here for the UK candidates. So for UK candidates, you come here and search for the role you're looking for, and they also have like the full list of the vacancies that they have. All right, so let's click on one of these links to see where it will lead us. So this is for international candidates. So this is Buttermere House. This is Buttermere House. So you fill this form to apply as an international candidate. All right. So you fill it here, you sign up or you sign in if you've been here before. If you've not been here before, you put in your full name, your email address, and then you sign up. So that is how it's done. So do rush and apply to all these care homes that I've mentioned in this video. The first one here is the For Excel Healthcare Services. The second one is Future Care. And the third one is Silver Lake Care. All right. So the 3 links are going to be in the description box below. So do check it out. Click the links, go to these websites, and send your application as soon as possible. Okay, so I hope this is useful to you, and do share this opportunity with others as well so they could take advantage of this. And do give the video a like, that is a thumbs up, to just show support that you appreciate the work that I do here. And subscribe to the channel so you can be seeing more videos like this. My name is Jackie, and I will see you in my next video.